Hello friends, I am Anand Gyanbote here for tomorrow's call. Tomorrow's call are given on the basis and I have calculated some calls like our daily routine, and before going for tomorrow's call I need to take an analysis of our yesterday's calls. I have given Infratel and Bharti Airtel for buy yesterday. Infratel was made a high of 420.30 and I have given the first target of 421, and with 70 paisa our first target was behind that, and most of clients has booked a profit around 420. In Bharti Airtel also some of the client has booked a profit on 408 and 409, but it was opened a gap up of 409. After that, when the price came to our range, then some of the clients has bought it, and they messaged me, and they booked a profit around 408 and 409. So these are the intraday calls, so you should not hold these calls before asking me, okay? And I have suggested Tata Motors for selling and Infosys for selling, and Tata Motors was opened a gap up, and it has not came to our range for selling purpose. I have recommended sell around 452, but some of the clients have sold it, and our SL was hit in that, and Infosys, like also in some of the clients has, I think one or two clients has made a loss in Infosys, and they also covered the profit in Infratel and Bharti Airtel. So the market is going in high and high. Nifty is going upward direction daily, and I think the Nifty will go around 10,000 or 10,100 in next few days. I am expecting the move for the same, and if Nifty is rising, then our sell calls will get failed. So I suggest, so you should not trade the sell calls on if the Nifty is going in upward direction, and if the Nifty is going in downward direction, then you should not play the buy calls, okay? So those who are trained clients, they know how to act on these tomorrow's calls, and they messaged me, and sir, our Tata Motor call was gap up, and Infosys call was also going up, and my one of the client which is trained very recently, he has messaged me, and he has traded Infosys, and he plays as a buy calls in Infosys, okay? So no problem for that, and if you are trained and if you know the momentum, then for intraday purpose you can go with a buy, and when the market direction changes, you can play like according to that, and I am just predicting the move of the next move before one day without knowing any news or anything at all. So my prediction also can be wrong in some of the days and some of the calls also, but most of the calls of me was giving the 80 to 90% accuracy in on an intraday basis, okay? And positional basis we have 95 to 100 accuracy in positional calls, okay? So I have suggested ICICI Bank today for holding purposes. So if you are holding, then you can hold this call with the same target and same SL. If tomorrow it comes down, you can add some quantities and play the same SL, and if it goes in uptrend, then you should move your stop losses to our profit zones, okay? So I'm trying to maintaining you with the profit zones. Why I am saying that you should place the stop losses to profit zone, because if one of the news will come, and your entire stop loss will hit, then you will lose the money in that. So I always say to my clients on the WhatsApp, you should, if you are in profit, then you should put your stop loss in profit zone, okay? So at any condition we should not lost our capital, so we should save our capital. That is very important for remaining into the market. To remain into this market, we should save our capital, okay? And capital is most important to us, okay? So I have traded some calls today, but I have also traded Bharti Airtel and Infratel, both buy calls I have traded, and I have made some small amount of profit in both the calls. I have not traded any sell calls, and those who are not trained, so you should play like this. If Nifty is going uptrend, then you should play only buy calls, and if Nifty is going in down, so you should play only sell calls if you are not trained, okay? So I always thankful to my subscribers for writing the comments and getting support to me. So for tomorrow I have selected 4 calls, and these 4 calls are some different strategies. All are from different strategies. Okay, so you should watch these calls, or you should trade with a small quantity in that. Okay, so don't try to play with a huge amount of quantity. So I have changed the strategies for calculating these calls. Okay, first I have selected Bank of Baroda for buy, and Bank of Baroda's current closing price was 164.35, and you have to buy around 164.30 or 164 level. So, and you have to put the stop loss of 162.60. Okay, and the first target I am looking for the Bank of Baroda tomorrow for intraday session is 165.85, and second target is 166.10. Okay, and second call was Sun Pharma. Second call was Sun Pharma for tomorrow. Sun Pharma is currently trading around, currently closed price of Sun Pharma is 571.45, and you have to buy around 570. Okay, you have to buy around 570 or 571. So, and put the stop loss of 567, and put the first target of 575, and put the second target of 578. And if it opens gap up, okay, if it opens gap up around 573 or 574, then you should not enter into the market at that price. You should wait for the price will come to down around 571 to or 572 in range, and put the stop loss of 567. Okay, so don't try to catch the rising candle, and you should avoid gap ups and gap downs. Okay, the third call and fourth call was selected for sell. The third call is GAIL India, and current closing price of GAIL is 386.15. You have to sell it GAIL tomorrow around 386 or 387, in the range of that, and put the small stop loss of 390 rupees. Okay, 390 or 390.50 you can place the stop loss, and I am looking for the first target of GAIL is 380, and the second target is 375. So this is a big target of I think 7 rupees in that. So what happens we don't know. Actually the 3 rupees target is much more that, but I am expecting this target for tomorrow's intraday session until the market closes. Okay, 380 rupees is target for tomorrow in GAIL. And the fourth call, Reliance Capital's I have selected for sell, but it was a risky call and I am not sure that much, but I have got some sell signal in Reliance Capital tomorrow. It may happen like Infosys, so you should play with very cautious move. And Reliance Capital current closing price was 670 rupees, and you have to wait for the break below the 668 or 667, and you have to wait also after breaking the 668 and 667. You have to sell it around 669 or 670 rupees. Okay, so don't try to sell directly around 670. You should wait for the price should be break below the 668 rupees. Okay, and the stop loss you have to place around 676, that is the 6 rupees stop loss. And the first target I am looking in Reliance Capital is 664, and second target is 66. Okay, sorry, 661, that is the second target, but I am not sure on Reliance Capital. And when we get the surety on Reliance Capital, you should watch the movement into the market, and if it breaks 668 or 667, then you should sell. Okay, so these are our 4 tomorrow's calls, and the BTST call I have given today, HCL Technology, and I think the call was given around 867 and 868 rupees. So most of the clients has bought that HCL Technology around. Someone has bought 1000 quantity, 2000 quantity, and one of my clients has bought 100 quantity, 300 quantity. Myself bought 300 quantity today in HCL Technology, and I am expecting exit around 870 and 872, and it may open gap up. So what you should do right now, you should place the aftermarket order in if you are using Zerodha, and you are having one facility in that AMO order. Okay, so AMO order works as the aftermarket order. When the market opens, the market will fire into the live market when the market will open. So I have placed 200 quantities on 870 and 100 quantities on 872. Okay, so be cautious about our HCL Technology BTST call. Okay, thank you. And if someone needs my contact details, and you can contact me directly on these mobile numbers. Okay, so I am with you. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. We will meet you next day. Thank you.